Project Hope, brought to you by Stellar Entertainment in partnership with World Remit and Arts Council England.
Guys, like right now, I said this earlier, I don't know, it must be lockdown. I find myself with too much time on my hands, and naturally I'm an optimist. I'm someone who likes to see the positives in everything. I try to get as much energy, and sometimes it ends up working to my disadvantage, because some of the things that I find positives from are very questionable. Like, for example, I was looking at the concept of colonialism. Kuti Africa taka colonized, and it was terrible. It was a terrible experience. But if there is a positive to be taken from, as us black people, if there's one thing I would take away from colonialism, is just the audacity, the confidence of a white man. I think it's something that we can look and say, no, colonialism as a concept was bad, but the confidence of the white man is something that you can apply in everyday life. Because you have to imagine with Cecil John Rhodes, when he came to Africa, he came to Africa for weather. But that sick white man, do you understand what munhu murwere still confidence zake achirwara kudaro was like akakanzvimba apa ndichaisa njanja apa. I think as people right now unokwanisa kuapply that confidence and say kuti pawangosvika so wangosvika chikuti ichi ndecha usazozviite mashop kabos unosungwa but I'm saying that confidence ngoclaima kuti izvi ndezvangu izvi, claiming your destiny. Because imagine David Livingstone akasvika kunzvimbo yanga itori nevanhu kudhara akati mazi apa pakutonzi paVictoria Falls, vanhu vakati German pakunzi paVictoria Falls. That confidence, that audacity. Because if you look at that confidence, that's why the world is the way it is. It's because the white man is too confident. All we need to do as black people is match out that level of confidence. And one, I am a kitten and one, that energy, just confidence. Maybe right, maybe CEO. I think, I don't know, but it's some of the things that I think about.
Project Hope, brought to you by Stellar Entertainment in partnership with World Remit and Arts Council England.